I just started adding in cream, so I'm gonna have a half a shot of espresso with some steamed cream. It's heavy whipping cream. When I have cream in my coffee, I always add a pinch of salt. This is Celtic salt. Now I just add a little bit of water on top of that. So I have 2 sausage links that are beef and 5 eggs, some salt, and some water. Okay, so for lunch, we're doing this egg life wrap and some chuck roast that I have left over and some cheese. I know, this is not the best cheese. Okay, so what I'm first gonna do is put some cheese down. Then I'm gonna add the chuck roast on top. I'm gonna add more cheese on top. And then I'm gonna microwave it for 1 minute. All right, here we go. Now I'm just gonna add some salt. And there we go. Let me show you how I fold it up. Just like that. That's it. So that lunch wasn't enough for me, that chuck roast, so I just got some turkey and salami and cream cheese. And I'm just gonna roll it up and eat it like that. And then I also added some kefir, this one. I'm gonna add my electrolytes and my liver. Just a scoop. And some water. This is good for micronutrients, B vitamins. I always give my electrolytes a little stir because it gets stuck on the bottom. But all of these things are all linked on my Amazon storefront too. For dinner, I'm doing burgers and I'm gonna use a little bit of this. I know you're not supposed to, and some salt. I cooked up some bacon, made the burger. This is the cheese I added. It's blue cheese and catamount cheddar. Put it all together and that was dinner.